baby smallie. Alright, here's my best fish of today. And I just got a new rod, so I don't know how to measure him out. Okay, but there she is, all the way up to the end of the letters. Oh, Jesus. And I'm way up high. I can't believe my line held this thing up. Alright, we'll give her the long distance release. Thank you for the fight. Beautiful fish. Whew! That was number 6 today. Caught a pike. I mean, if you count pike, so that's 6 bass and 1 pike, so that's 7 fish so far. This spot down here looks really good, but it's way down there. I need to figure out a way to get off this walkway. Just get down there and fish it. Got one. Oh man, got one 40 feet up. Oh geez, how am I gonna release him? Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do here? We're gonna have to take a jog. I'm so sorry, I gotta run with you till we can get to water, buddy. Because I'm not throwing you 60. Alright, fine. Alright, I'm throwing you 60 feet. It's a long ways. Hope he's okay. And you won't believe it, but this is pike number 2 of the day. Slammy, slammy pike. He's down to where the copper. Okay, he's from the loop to the cork. I don't like this guy. I think he bit my hook off too. Bye bye, Mr. Pike. What a day. There we go. Ooh, good jump. Come here. Halfway decent. Beautiful little smallie. Texas rig zoom centipede. Alright, good fight. There we go. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, that's a good one. Man, that is one heck of a fight. I don't know if I'm gonna get this one up the walkway. Oh jeez, oh jeez, no, no, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got him. Wow. Yes. Oh, that's a good fish right there. Okay. Good. 16-incher. Good 16-incher. Take a look at this fish. I don't want to throw him this far. Do a nice release. Oh, oh, jeez. She wanted to take off. I didn't get that one on camera. There we go. Ooh, almost. Holy cow. Oh, jeez. Another pike. Oh, my old hook. Yes, yes. This is the guy that... You're not going to believe this. This is the guy that broke me off earlier. I get my other hook back. How's that for a coincidence, huh? Mr. Fuck. Okay. Oh, buddy. Oh, jeez. God damn it. It's gone. It's out. Yes. Yes. Alright. Get out of here. It's a hook eater. Oh, sweet. Alright. He broke me off before, and I just caught him back. Got my frickin' hook back. How about that? Nice, there we go. Good one. Oh yeah. Good jumps. Oof. Man, that's a fight. Oh. No. Smallmouth bass. Oh, oh, jeez.
I never catch the fish that big.
Big enough on the keys?
Oh yeah, yep, definitely. But I don't keep them out of this river. Yep.
Isn't that cool? I could hear something. We thought somebody was in the water. It's a big fish.
Yeah.
All right, come girl.
Oh, the hook's stuck in there.
Yeah, it sure is.
She's really big hungry, that fish.
That's a big bite.
Good fight. There's probably about 15, a little bit of blood. Bye-bye. Oh, slam right off.